Do a beatbox. No, you gotta do it. No, do a beatbox. You don't have to be so close. You don't have to be so close. You gotta rap now. Oh my god. What do you think about Mother Nature? You can't see it, look. Stop. Okay. What do you think about Angelina? Do your gang song. Oh my god. Look at his gang sign now. Do your real gang sign though. Oh yeah. Do the football dance. Wait, here we gotta listen to this first.
That's not David Bowie.
Not David Bowie, it's David Bowie.
David Clamidoni?
What?
Clamidoniani?
I'm sorry,
Clamidoniani?
I'm not familiar with that. Oh my god.
He made me sick.
Wait, you gotta dance to this. Do the baseball dance with this song on. I can't see you.
Oh, you're recording it?
Do the baseball. Throw
Here, wait, we need a better song.
it. He needs the party voice on.
Wait, here's a good one.
Please party.
Who's Madonna's first husband? Jelly Bean Vincent?
Sean Penn.
Sean Penn. Who's gonna do the words and we'll play it bomb? Come on. Hit it. Hello.
You have to do it for yourself. Come on.
Golf.
Do the golf dance.
Do the soccer dance.
Do the soccer dance. Now do the soldier boy dance. Oh, it's sad. Be like a breakdancer.
Hey,
That's not how you breakdance.
put the stuff on the computer so
I fucking guess so.
some crap on the